Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the day 3. The title is Tectonic Setting, Size, Magma, and Eruption under, again, of week 2, Science 8. Okay, for motivational activity, you may be grouped into 3 based on the class or the type of volcano. We have the shield volcano, cinder cone, composite volcano. Makes of hissing sounds and slow arm waves to mimic lava flow. Sa group 2 naman is cinder cone, make short boom sounds and clap quickly. And group 3, composite volcano, make loud continuous rumbling sounds and stomp dramatically. So, kumbaga ay parang i-ano natin, sounds, ipapakita natin yung differences of the 3 types of volcanoes. Let us again describe the 3 types of volcano. Okay, the shield volcano, divergent. The tectonic setting is divergent boundaries, hotspot. The cinder cone, near composite volcanoes or rift zone. That is also divergent when we say rift zones. And composite is convergent boundaries. So magma type, the shield volcano is basaltic or low silica. Cinder cone, basaltic to andesitic. And composite is andesitic or high silica. Eruption style, the shield volcano gentle or non-explosive. Cinder cone is moderate explosions. Composite is explosive and dangerous. In terms of size and shape, the shield volcano is wide dome-like. The cinder cone is also wide dome-like, and composite is tall symmetrical cone. When magma is thick or high silica, it traps more gas, causing violent eruptions. Thin magma flows easily, resulting in gentle eruption. So, volcano comparison poster. Ito yung magiging activity ninyo. So, volcanoes in terms of size and shape, magma type, eruption style, tectonic setting. So, this is the rubrics in making or in grading your outputs.